There's still a couple on there.
It's okay. There's 3. That's all I need.
There's 3.
That's all you read.
There's 3. That's all you need. Stand up. Come over here. Blow them out. 1. Wait a minute. Wait. My phone's not ready.
Well, then don't tell them ready.
Hey, can you blow them?
She's never going to be ready, so.
Can you blow them? Wait. My phone's not ready.
There's 1 candle left.
Bro, I can send you pictures. Okay.
Blow it out.
Go. Blow.
Blow it out.
Blow. Blow hard. Blow hard. Jason, look at Mom. Look at Mom. Look at Mom.
Okay, who's gonna start Happy Birthday?
Happy birthday to you.